Social media is once again buzzing after controversial blogger Musa Khawula allegedly reignited old conversations involving Sizwe Dlomo and Trevor Noah, with Nicki Minaj's past comments now resurfacing in the discussion. Musa Khawula is said to have referenced the moment when Nicki Minaj publicly labeled Trevor Noah gay, adding that allegedly Trevor Noah's supposed boyfriend was not far from South African soil at the time, a claim that has since sparked widespread debate online. While those statements remain alleged and unverified, many users feel the focus has shifted from the claims themselves to a much bigger issue: why sexuality is still treated like a scandal or exposure in 2026. Some social media users argue that whether the rumors are true or not should not even matter, questioning why being gay is still weaponized in public discourse. As Musa Khawula and Nicki Minaj's names trend alongside Sizwe Dlomo and Trevor Noah, the conversation has once again highlighted South Africa's complicated relationship with celebrity gossip, privacy, and evolving views on identity.